Okay, this morning we're going to explain to you the service valves on the tankless water heater. Service valves allow you to be able to do the periodic flushing that is necessary with these energy-saving devices. Here we have a schematic diagram of the flow of water through a tankless water heater. Water will come in here on the cold side, will go through where it'll be heated through the gas fire, and then of course will exit and go through the hot. I've drawn the schematic of two service valves, the cold service valve and the hot service valve. This would be where your connection would be to clean out the valve, and this is where of course the cleaner would exit and return back to the cleaning bucket. We've got shown that these are closed off at this particular point. Now, water will enter here, will continue up now, and go into the heater unit where it's heated, go circulate, and exit through this valve, and of course go out to the house where it'll provide hot water. Okay, here we have a system that the service valves have already been actuated. You'll notice that the supply is closed off on the cold side, and of course it is closed off for exiting to the house. Basically now the pump will pump our cleaner, which is usually a clean vinegar. We'll pump it into the cold side, and basically where it will enter into the heater unit and flush the lime and other residue on the heater elements. And of course it will exit through this part of the service valve and return to the pump where it will be circulated, and as it circulates of course it will clean the lime and other particles from the heating element. After you have finished liming it is important to be able to drain the cleaner out of the system before opening up into the house. It's basically unsafe. So what we normally do here is we will close off the cold supply intake of cleaner entrance and let the cold water supply simply reflow into the unit. We will keep the exit service valve closed to going to the residence, and we will flush the cleaner through the system and flush it down the drain or dispose of it in one way or the other. So we've got fresh water coming in, and once it circulates it will take the cleaner out of the unit so that you'll have absolutely no taste or no residue of the cleaner in the heater at all after you have turned this off.